Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're recreating skull makeup because I'm bored. But I never do anything for Halloween and I love Halloween so much and I feel like I want to start doing more. And finally this year I'm going to a Halloween party and I'm going as Lara Croft from Tomb Raider. I don't know when I'll post this video. It might be because it's on November 1st is the Halloween party, so it depends when I put this video out if I'm gonna have my costume. But follow my Instagram, which is It's Not Wild, and I'll probably post something about it on there. This is not a tutorial. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm freeballing this shit, okay? These are the 3 brushes that I have that I'm hoping will work, and then I have this little black palette thing. I don't have makeup because I'm not a makeup gal, unfortunately. I think I'm gonna use like one of these browns as like the sketch, because we gotta sketch first because there's no way I'm completely freeballing this. Let me tuck my hair back first and foremost. Okay, let's be bold for a second. We have to be bold. I guess I'll just straight up use this. Okay, so it looks like I've just been beaten up kind of, but that's great. Love that. Okay, but I was about to say, you see the vision though. Do you? Should I try to give this some depth? Like, give it a little design like this. Like that. Does this look like doo-doo? I think so. Okay. The vision's coming, I swear guys. I think these eyes are what's fucking me up though, like, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, here comes the hard part, is trying to get the same eye. It's like when you draw and you try to get a similar eye to the other side. Am I making sense? No? Yeah, that's kind of what I thought. You know what? It's not too late to just end the video here. So this is what we got going on, right? You see the vision, okay? I know you see the vision. I know I say this a lot, but you see the vision this time. The problem is this part, like the jaw that I'm supposed to do, that's not the jaw. Yes, it is. That's kind of it. Okay, don't mind what's, just imagine this colored in black, okay? And then, I don't know at this point. This sucks. This sucks. I feel like I'm ready. This is it. This is the final product. Oh fuck, how do I do the neck? Oh, how do I do the neck? Oh my god. Okay, I have to lock in for this real hard. What the fuck is that?
Oh hell no!
What is that? Okay, I'm kind of giving up on the neck. Yeah, I've given up. Cause like, what is this? What is that? Huh? What is that? Oh my god, what am I supposed to do with the rest of the neck? I literally don't know what I'm doing. It's just uneven. It's literally go. I feel like it obviously does not need to be perfect. It just needs to, you need to get the point. Okay, what was that? I'm freaking, I'm tweaking out. Sorry, I keep disappearing this because my reference is over here. I think I lost it a while ago. But like, if you close your eyes and you squint, if you close your eyes, just fully close your eyes, the vision is there. I've kind of given up on the throat. I have little peaks. I don't really know what's going on. I kind of just started free bowling. Can the road stop? Anyway, as I was saying, I kind of just started free bowling, as you can see. But as long as we've got the I don't know. I think we should just go for it, guys. Let's see how well this goes.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the...
How pigmented it is. Not that pigmented. Stuck my finger in something. What did I stick my finger in? It was wet. That's what he said. I'm very bad at this. That is what I'm realizing, is I'm horrendous at makeup. I don't know what I thought, never doing makeup. Like, I don't do my makeup, I do my mascara and that's it. I don't know why I was like, yeah, let me do a whole makeup look. I'll be easy. I'll be blast. Okay. Wait. My confidence is back. Never mind, I'm actually better than everyone else in the world. I shouldn't say that. It's gonna bite me in the back. How do makeup artists do shit, bro? Like, this actually is horrible. I'm just kidding, I'm having fun. No, I'm not gaslighting you right now. I actually am, but it's just a lot. I'm like so locked in. I'm fucking destroying this brush, like it's being abused. Forehead reveal. I feel like I'm better than everyone. Oh, this is gonna be so bad for my pores. Okay, now we're gonna go back in and redefine it with my little tiny one. My eyes hurt from looking at my fucked up face for so long. I don't know if I want to give myself like teeth, but I think I might. So it actually kind of mattered how messy I was with them. Right. This is horrendous. Okay, see, all of this white, we're gonna fill all of that in. Just trust. I don't trust myself, but you know, someone's gotta trust me, so it's gotta be you. Okay, so what's going on with the neck is, I don't know, but if you squint, it looks alright. I'm honestly just like shading right now, but shading in a sense of it doesn't make sense what I'm shading. But I'm like, if I shade enough, it, like, what's going on? This looks horrible. This is bad. My hoodie's gonna be hiding most of it though. So like, the pigment is not there. Hello. Loki looks brown. I think there's no saving this. So we're just gonna... This is the final look. I feel like for winging it and having kind of shitty eyeshadow to use, and I was literally just going off of a picture reference, I feel like it's pretty alright. Aside from the neck, other than that, if I hide it with my hair, I feel like it's alright. Here's a little close up. Yes, you can still see the brown. So next time, I think I'll use a lighter, like, sketch. Yeah, definitely some things I could have done better, but for a first time, what can I say? I think I'm just fucking goated at everything I do. I need to film some TikToks and Reels that you probably already have seen by the time this is posted. But anyway, I don't know if this will ever see the light of day, if it's entertaining enough. But if it does, I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day. I love you. Subscribe, like. Okay, bye bye.